फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस, एंड वेलकम 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 बैक। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ फैंटास्टिक ट्राइज़ इट हैज़ बीन अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम यू गाइस, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई सम ऑफ द रेसिपी जो आप लोगों ने मेरे कमेंट्स में भेजी हैं। सो लेट्स गो एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. So if you guys haven't joined our Fantastic Fam yet, then make sure to click that subscribe button and join our Fantastic Fam. And now that's it you guys. Now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. So in Fantastic Tries It हम लोग हमेशा आपकी रेसिपीज़ ट्राई करते हैं. So जो आप लोगों ने कमेंट्स में दी होती हैं, I am going to try that. और मैं वो भी रेसिपीज़ ट्राई करती हूँ जो आप लोगों ने मेरे को कमेंट्स में लिंक्स भेजे होते हैं और कमेंट्स में रेसिपीज़ दी होती हैं. I try those in Fantastic Tries It too. So if you guys want more these kinds of videos, then make sure to like and make sure to comment down your recipe below or give me some video links down below. So I'll see that and I'll make a video for you guys. So let's see who's our first Fantastic जिनकी रेसिपी ट्राई होने वाली है. So yeah, let's see. So the first recipe that we're going to try is from this user. They have commented this comment. So a big shout out to you, and this is the link. So let's open the link. So as you guys can see in this short video that they make a no glue no borax recipe, and in that short they are also testing a recipe. So this is just full on 360 you guys, like this is just too much. And now we are testing their video if that actually works or not. It worked for them and I'm not sure if it's going to work for me. It's too good to be true, but yeah, let's see. And this is why we do Fantastic Tries It, to spot those fake videos. So yeah, let me show you guys if that actually works or not, and let's see. I'm really excited to try this recipe. Let's take our bowl. So here is our bowl. So now let's add the ingredients. So the first ingredient that they added is shampoo. So I am using this shampoo because this has previously worked for me in a no glue no borax recipe, and it actually worked you guys. So if you want to see how to make a real shampoo slime, then I'll give you guys the recipe on the I button, and that actually worked for me. So yeah, I have hope that this might even work. So yeah, I'm going to take some shampoo. So as you guys can see, the consistency of this shampoo is pretty thick. It is like super thick. So actually ये work कर सकता है हमारी slime बनने में, because you guys can see how like thick and jiggly this is. So yeah, let's add our next ingredient, that is dish soap. So I'm using this dish soap. You can use any. I'm just going to add similar amount. So yeah, this is how much I'm going to add. Sara khel is actually in adding the salt, because we have to add like a very little amount. So yeah, let's add very small quantity of salt. That will help activating the slime. Can you guys see how it actually is looking? So it is like getting thick. You guys can see that. Oh my god, can you guys see that? There is little bubbles. So now it is getting liquidy, which is like actually what happens if you add salt to shampoo. but yeah, let's not lose our hope. So I've mixed it complete. और अब मैं इसको फ्रिज में थोड़ी देर के लिए रखने जा रही हूँ. And I'll keep this in the fridge for like 2 to 3 hours. So let's see if this actually becomes slime or not. It is pretty liquidy, but yeah, let's see. So fantastic. It has been 2 to 3 hours and this is how our slime is looking. So it basically just froze, you guys. So yeah, this recipe really doesn't work. This just froze in the fridge, like literally. That is ice and not a slime. So yeah, this is just a big scam and that recipe does not work at all. Let's move on to the next recipe. So now let's try our next recipe, which is this one. So now we are making kind of a butter slime with baby powder and shampoo. So let's see if that actually works or not. So let's take a bowl. So the first ingredient is shampoo. So we will take the same shampoo from before, this one, and let's add it. Amount is totally dependent on you. आपको जितनी slime बनानी है आप उतना ही shampoo add कीजिए. I'm testing this recipe, so I'm not going to take too much, but yeah, just enough. So I'm taking this much of shampoo and अब मैं इसमें baby powder add करने वाली हूँ. So I am taking this Johnson's baby powder. You guys can literally take any baby powder. So yeah, there is no procedure. You just keep on adding baby powder to the shampoo and let's just hope for the best, I guess. So yeah, let's add some baby powder. And we'll mix it with this spoon. Like literally it's so pretty, you guys. So yeah, let's start mixing. Oh my goodness, this seems to be combining well. Let's hope this actually makes a slime. Otherwise, like today all of my ingredient will be wasted. Like आपने देखा होगा पहले वाली शैम्पू रेसिपी में भी like too much of ingredients were wasted, but I try those recipes so that आप लोगों को वो ट्राई ना करना पड़े और आपकी ingredients ख़राब ना हो. Yeah, make sure to give this video a like because guys, this is just too much. So yeah, make sure आप वो subscribe का बटन दबा के हमारी fantastic fam को join करें. And yeah, let's add a little bit more powder. And I'll fast forward this process so that you don't have to wait too much. But अब मैं इस process को ही बार बार दोहराती रहूँगी. I'll keep on adding baby powder. So yeah, I'll just fast forward this process so that you guys can enjoy. Like it is actually like this seems to be working, which is like super nice. It makes me super happy. Like, can you see? It separates, like it's super jiggly. Like, oh my god, you guys. Can you guys see that jiggle? I'll just keep on adding a little bit more of baby powder. This actually, can you guys see that? This actually looks like a slime. Wow. It does seems to be activating, like, can you guys see that? Oh my god, did I just discovered a new slime recipe? Can you guys see that? I have literally no residue on my hands. Like, wow. Okay, we literally discovered a new no glue no Borax slime recipe, you guys. Like, okay, this is like super fun, you guys. You guys might see my excitement from my voice. Like, you guys hear that? So finally we have gotten like a nice slime texture. I just think we need to add a little more powder for it to be non-stick. Like, wow. I still can't believe my eyes that we have actually made a no glue no Borax slime. Like, this is just getting everywhere. So yeah guys, as you guys can see, this does make a slime. Like, it does not stick to your hand. Like, it is really nice, you guys. Like, you guys have literally seen it, how nice and bouncy the slime is. So yeah, if you guys like today's video, then make sure to give this video a very big like. Make sure to comment down below more no glue no Borax recipes, and I might try it and they might actually work. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and also like the video. And yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.